Our Honorable Director, Mr. Naveen Chauhan, please join the stage.
Please join with our brand ambassador. And I'd like to welcome Mr. Nivesh Chauhan on stage, please.
He's our CEO of the group, Mr. Nivesh Chauhan.
Yes. Come on, everyone, put the hands together. Thank you, sir. And I'd like to welcome Mr. Ashutosh Mishra.
Please join the stage, Ashutosh sir, Vice President of the company.
And request Mr. Himanshu Kansal.
So I'm here on the stage, please. Thank you.
So எல்லாரும் ப்ளீஸ் தயவு செஞ்சு கொஞ்சம் பின்னாடி நீங்க போய்க்கலாம். நீங்க போட்டோ எடுக்கிறதுக்கு தனியா நாங்க டைம் கொடுப்போம். நீங்க அப்புறம் நீங்க போட்டோ எடுக்கலாம் ப்ளீஸ். கேமரா தொடர்ந்து மிஸ்டர் நவீன்.
Mr. Nivesh, हमारे शांत के सर, very peaceful, very cool. Nivesh sir.
So Mr. Nivesh Chauhan இதோட கேட்டுக்கொண்டிருக்கிறார். அவரை தொடர்ந்த மிஸ்டர் அசுதோஷ் மிஸ்ரா.
Please have a clap, great clap.
I request Mr. Himanshu Kansal to join with our ambassador and people of Kivin. Thank all of you. I request all of you.
Good evening, everyone. Are you all having a lot of fun? So raise your hands. It's indeed a great pleasure for me to come over here at Coimbatore and for such a wonderful event.
இப்ப புரிஞ்சுதா எதுக்காக நான் சொன்னேன் கிரிக்கெட் எவ்வளவு பேருக்கு பிடிக்கும் அப்படின்னு நம்மளோட கேப்டனே இருக்காங்க ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமா இருக்கு இன்னொரு ஒரு கை தட்டலாமா அவருக்கு ஓகே
2 months back, Kevin family approached me to become a part of this family and wanted me to be the brand ambassador for Kevin. And when I heard the story, this success story, starting and established in 2005, and the way they've grown as a company and one of the leading manufacturer of inverters in India, and obviously I'm expecting that they will become also a leading manufacturer in world. It definitely inspired me. They showed that what if someone has got a drive, if someone has got a dream, the dream will be converted into reality. Like what happened in my life, I always dreamt of playing for the country, and by the Almighty's grace, I've been able to realize my dream. And when I see here the family of Kevin, you got the director, you got the CEO, and all of you are part of this family. And I'm sure that their dream has already been realized, and I'm sure they will have more bigger goals to achieve, and all of you will help them and be part of this success story, and which is going to be a bigger story and bigger success in the future. I hope all of you will continue to support the Kevin family. All of you will also be a part of this wonderful journey, a very successful journey, and I'm sure all of you will also realize all your dreams. Thank you once again, and I'm sure that I'm really proud to be associated with such a wonderful brand, a brand which has got a lot of emphasis on quality, and that is the reason why I have accepted to be the brand ambassador, because of the quality, the kind of quality control they've got on each and every brand which they manufacture, not only inverters but other brands which they manufacture. I'm really happy that they will only progress in future in a very emphatic manner and take over the entire world in the inverter business. Thank you once again and have a great evening. Thank you.
Honor the achievers of the year 2012 to 2013. So I'd like to call RB Power, Mr. Roy T. Thomas, Coimbatore. Can I have him on stage, please? Come on, everyone, put the hands together. Can I have RP Power and our Mr. VVS Lakshman to come? Next, I'd like to call ABS Electronics, Mr. G. Dhanabalan, Coimbatore branch. ABS Electronics, Mr. G. Dhanabalan. A1 Energy Solutions, Mr. Kumar Vasugi, Salem. And I'd like to call AR Power Solutions and Batteries, Mr. Arul Robin, Madurai.
I want to say something about Mr. Kumar. He is very new to this industry, but he made a remarkable business and he achieved a great in Salem. Thank you, Mr. Kumar.
Thank you. And I'd like to call Bismi Electronics, Mr. J. Tajuddin, Salem. Bismi Electronics.
Y una vez más, se viene el pasito de la
Electro India, Mr. H. Mohanaran, Coimbatore.
Siga moviendo la manta, movete mamita,
विश्वी सर को चैलेंज लेने में बड़ा मजा आता है.
A ver, los pibes si ayudan.
ABS Electronics, Mr. G. Dhanabalan. Electro India, Mr. S. Mohanaran, Coimbatore.
Y para vos,
Okay. JP UPS, Mr. M. Pratap, Coimbatore. Vaanga.
no para de bailar, bailar, bailar.
JP UPS, Mr. M. Pratap. அவங்க வராட்டினா
सबसे छोटा बंदा केविन फैमिली का, एज में सबसे कम, लाइक केविन.
ஓகே அவரை தொடர்ந்து Kundas Automations Private Limited, Mr. Sanjay Sandana Krishnan, Coimbatore. அவர் எவ்வளவு சைலண்டா வந்துட்டு இருக்கிறார், நீங்க வயலன்ட் சவுண்ட் கொடுக்க கூடாதா? ஓகே.
Where is Sanjay sir? Please come on the stage. We are waiting for you.
ராஜாராம் மதுரை. நல்ல கை தட்டலாமா அவருக்கு? ஓகே. மத்திய ஆட்டோ பேட்டரி, மிஸ்டர் டி. சிதம்பரகுமார், மதுரை. மத்திய ஆட்டோ பேட்டரி இருக்கிறீங்களா? ஓகே. நியூ லக்ஷ்மி யூபிஎஸ் அண்ட் பேட்டரிஸ், மிஸ்டர் சந்திரமோகன், கோயம்புத்தூர். Next, the new Lakshmi UPS, Mr. P. Kumar, Trichy, vaanga, come on.
With batteries of Kevin in Coimbatore.
Okay. Mr. Ravindran, Rajput Battery Agency, Sivagasi. Ravindran, vaanga.
When I saw first time Kumar from Trichy, I never believed he can do a great in Trichy, but really remarkable.
Mr. Chidambara Kumar, Madhya Auto. என்னடா கை தட்டலாமா அவருக்கு? இவரா achievers பா. Okay. So அவரை தொடர்ந்து New Lakshmi UPS and Batteries, Chandramohan. Rajput Battery Agencies, Mr. Ravindran, Sivagasi. JBR, Tirupur. இப்போ SkyTech Systems அவங்க ஸ்டேஜுக்கு வராங்க. நான் அவரை தொடர்ந்து ஸ்ரீ பழனியப்பா பவர்ஸ், மிஸ்டர் சோமசுந்தரம் PL, மதுரை. ஓகே. அச்சீவருக்கு நல்லா கிளாப் பண்ணலாமா எல்லாரும், ப்ளீஸ் கிவ் இட் அப்.
Last time we met we had a lucky draw over there. So there were 13 winners in the lucky draw. So that appreciation is again giving by our brand ambassador, Mr. VVS Lakshman. So we will call one by one name. Please come on the stage.
AR Power Systems, Madurai, Mr. Arul Robin. ABS Electronics, Coimbatore, Mr. G. Dhanabalan. நம்ம lucky draw winner நல்லா clap பண்ணலாமா எல்லாரும்? And அவரை தொடர்ந்து ABS Electronics, Mr. G. Dhanabalan. அடுத்தது Bismi Electronics, Mr. J. Tajuddin. Bismi Electronics, Powertech, Mr. P. Rajavet, Salem. Raja. Powertech. Race Power Solutions, Mr. Kumar, Trichy. Rajco Battery Agency, Madurai. Rajco Battery Agency, Madurai. And Kadasha lucky winner, Skytech Systems, Mr. V. Jabias, Tirupur. Battery Agencies, Mr. Ravindran.
One of the Kevin Foundation which we have created for the welfare of the society. We have made one society, Kevin Foundation.